I have shown you about the settings, but today's video I am going to show you how to give full access of your PC to CCleaner with or without using administrator. If you are using your user as simply standard user, then you can follow the procedure I am going to follow. Or if you are using as administrator, then you can directly click it and open it. So I am using it as a standard user, so I am going to left click it and run as administrator. So that's it, guys. We have opened and given the full access of our PC to CCleaner right now. So if you are using different, there are different users on your PC, and they will be using on different times, and you do not have any access to what they are doing, or maybe some junks are automatically filling up your system. So I will recommend what I'm going to do right now. You should do that to keep your PC clean. So first of all, you have to go to options and monitoring. Oh sorry, you have to go to users and select all users. Okay, and I have and given some recommendation settings in my previous video, so you can, I am going to give it right now. So once you click and complete it, what I have done right now for your all users, you can click on advanced. You can select whatever option you would like to. So I am going to select minimize, shut down after cleaning, hide warning messages, show initial results in detail view, and in monitoring I am going to automatically clean without notification. So in scheduling, you can schedule whenever you would like to clean your PC automatically. So I am not going to do that. So if there are some apps you do not want to scan or clean, then you can add it on exclude option. Once you click add, so you have to provide or close this file you do not want to scan. And there are, if some files those who are not getting scanned, you can click on option click and add as usual on cookies. If there are some cookies, then you can add it here. So that's it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. So if you like this video and it was helpful to you, then do not forget to subscribe for a similar updates, and do not forget to like and share. That's it, guys.